Breathing into your body, feel the wholeness again. Draw the breath through your body, imagining yourself once again in that column of the violet flame, hands on the belly and the heart. In that column of the violet flame, be in that column of the violet flame. It is real as you are deciding that it is real. Decide that it is real now and draw it around your body once again, feeling yourself centered in it and tone 3 times. So feeling the sound move through the body, you get a glimpse of unity, of oneness. 2016, the number you have given this year, has been called by myself the year of unity consciousness. So the vibration of unity, community, coming together into wholeness is very powerful at this time. Breathing into your body, feel the thousands of parts of your body, the thousands of cells working together as one. And breathing into your body, feel the thousands and millions of beings on the planet breathing together as one. It's possible. It reflects from your own unity. The more unified you can become from within, the more unity you will see in your relationships and in your world. I am Saint Germain. This concept of pain has become very real, very concretized on your planet. This concept of pain and struggle has become part of what you seek liberation from, what you seek freedom from. This idea or this concept of pain has concretized is in the bodies, and so that your experience in the body, physical, emotional, and mental, even psychic, is often fraught with pain. As you breathe in now, imagine the pain that you have experienced in this personality in this time, or pain that you've seen another experience. Just let yourself feel it now. Breathe it through your body as if it was a flow. Breathe it through your body, knowing that you are enfolded in the violet flame. It is in your center. You are a column of violet light. And see how the pain will shift and transform into that violet light. This age is an age of transmutation. Not transformation, but transmutation. I have been given the baton of the guardian of this age. I am the master of this age. I am the master of this age as your brothers and sisters, as your brother, and as you are brothers and sisters, as you are mastering. I am the reflection of you mastering in this age wholeness, mastery, understanding. The violet flame of transmutation. The violet flame of transmutation is the key to understanding that this age is about taking the dross and changing it into the new form. And so that alchemal process, because of the deep attachment to separation and to shame and pain around that separation, has been seen as painful. The fires of transformation have been seen as burning away in pain those dross or those things that no longer are needed. Now then, the more you come to the realization of wholeness, meaning that you can accept the pain rather than pushing it away, then you can transform it. It is like you take food in your body and it transforms, it nourishes and nurtures the body. When you are feeling sick or you are feeling mentally harmed or feeling distraught, your body pushes away, as you push away, the nourishment. You push away the opportunity for transmutation. And so all the pain and shame must be accepted. The glory of this time is that we have the opportunity to look at the way you operate in the world. The earth itself and the heavenly bodies around the earth, the galaxy that the earth is in, and the other galaxies in the universe, and believe me, there are many, and there is much life, creation, and experience going on all of them. These places on the earth that are changing, and the earth that is fit within a dance within the planets and the heavenly bodies in her galaxy and her atmosphere, are also changing and affecting each other. So you are receiving constant codes from other star systems, from other planets, from the sun, the moon, and from the earth herself. Being made out of the same material of the earth, you are very receptive to vibrations from the earth. To receive those vibrations, though, you must find places on the earth that you have not covered with concrete, that you have not poisoned with chemicals, that you have not covered over. You must find those natural places. You must see where they are growing. You must see the dandelion that grows between the cracks in the cement, and you must bless it. You must commune with it. You must go to your parks, and go to your mountains, and go to your lakes, and go to your oceans. Go to your seasides and seashores. Sit on the sand, sit on the rocks. Walk in the mud, walk in the rain. Connect to the earth. Connect your tailbone to the earth and your chakras to the earth, to the trees. Root deeply from the tailbone and the bottoms of the feet into the earth, and breathe back up into the body. Right now, hold in your consciousness a piece of the earth that you frequently connect with. Perhaps your yard, a path, a park that you go to, a seashore, a hiking trail, a mountain. Connect to it in your consciousness right now. Bring it into your consciousness through your breath. I am Saint Germain. You are communing with the earth. She is sending you codes and messages. Those coded messages help you reset and help you know how to do it. Not necessarily in the mind or in the brain, in the logical mind, but through the heart. The heart is a gateway. The heart is a gateway to the superconsciousness, to the consciousness that is connected to the soul vibration, to the spirit vibration, to the one, where you are one. Holding the palms open to receive now, just go ahead and repeat, one, many. I am one and I am many. I am whole and I am individual. I am one and I am many. I am whole and I am individual. The individual self does not lose consciousness by going into the whole. It becomes more alert, more aware, more sharp, more creative. Your life becomes infused with the joy of the universe, and you become God, Goddess. You become spirit. You are deeply needing to find the wounds within yourself that have been torn away from the whole, that have been torn away from the wholeness, that have been torn away from what you may call spirit or God, Goddess, or unity consciousness or divine flow. You must find the places within that still have wounds and fill those wounds with light. The human pattern of pushing away things that are distasteful, fearful, shameful, scary, frightening, the human pattern of pushing away has been keeping you from coming into the wholeness that you crave.